Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Goodman air conditioner with Alexa is a great way to make your home smarter. First, check if your air conditioner is compatible with Alexa. You can use an Alexa-supported smart thermostat or a universal remote control device like Broadlink. If your air conditioner is compatible with smart thermostats, you can use devices like Nest or Ecobee to adjust the temperature. By enabling the relevant skill in the Amazon Alexa app and linking your accounts, you can give voice commands like, "Alexa, turn on the air conditioner," or "Alexa, set the temperature to 72 degrees." If your air conditioner is not compatible with smart thermostats, you can consider using universal remote control options. A device like Broadlink RM4 Pro, which works with infrared signals, can control your air conditioner and integrate with Alexa. After connecting this device to your Wi-Fi network, you can use the Broadlink app to set up your air conditioner's remote control and give commands through Alexa. This allows you to turn the air conditioner on or off and adjust the temperature using voice commands. With this integration, you can control your Goodman air conditioner remotely, enhancing comfort and optimizing energy efficiency in your home. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.